Your house can literally be auctioned off if you don't pay your property taxes. And right now, it's pretty important because it's March and the deadline to pay your property tax bill is March 31st, at the end of this month. In Florida, the tax bill comes out in what's called arrears. So for the year 2026, the tax bill won't come out until November of this year. However, the 2025 bill came out last November and it's going to be due in just a few days. So what happens if you don't pay your property tax bill in Florida? Well, the county tax collector will issue something called a tax certificate. They put up your property tax bill up for auction and people from the public can bid to buy your tax bill. So you still have to pay your taxes for the year that you missed, but instead of paying it to the tax collector's office, you're going to pay it to the individual or the company who's going to be holding the tax bill certificate. And on top of that, you're going to be paying penalties and interest to the certificate holder. So make sure to pay it on time so you don't pay more than what you owe. And what happens if that tax certificate stays outstanding? Well, 2 years after the tax certificate is issued, the certificate holder can apply for something called a tax deed. And the county will put your property up for sale in an auction again. Except this time, the bidders are not going to be bidding on the tax bill. They're going to actually be bidding on a deed to your house. If it gets to that point and you don't redeem the tax certificates, meaning you don't pay them off for the taxes and the interest that's owed, your property will be deeded to the highest bidder. Make sure to avoid all of that. Pay your taxes on time and don't let it get to that point. So it's important that you pay your taxes before March 31st, but there's an added bonus. If you pay your taxes in the month that the bill comes out, meaning in November, you get a 4% discount. If you pay it in December, you get a 3% discount, a 2% discount in January, and a 1% discount in February. There's no discounts in March, and the deadline's the 31st. So once April 1st rolls around, your tax bill becomes delinquent. Don't let it get to that point and don't let your home go up for sale. If you have questions about property taxes or tax certificates or tax deeds, our office is here to help. Give us a call at 813-631-7226 or visit our website to set up a consultation. Remember, this is general information and not legal advice. We look forward to seeing you.